spent, wow, hi. I've literally spent an hour just preparing to film this video, and I do it every time because I get so nitpicky. I'm like, what earrings am I gonna put in? What do my nails look like? Are they ratchet? They're ratchet right now, so if y'all see it or catch a glimpse, cut your girl some slack. I had to let the acrylics go for a minute. Y'all know I do them myself, and she needed a break because like it's a lot to maintain, and I think because I don't have professional supplies, like actual professional supplies, they lift and they just don't last as long as professional stuff would. So I have to keep my nails up like every week, week and a half, 2 weeks tops. So it's a lot on my nails, and I had to just chill for a minute. Anyways, how are you guys doing? I hope y'all are doing awesome. Thanks for coming to see another video. I didn't kind of intro this at all. I just kind of started talking, but yeah, I want to do something out of the box, crazy. Maybe not out of the box because I'm going to get inspo from some people. I feel like there's nothing that hasn't been done in makeup, so yeah, I just want to do something like extra. The most, I just feel like I want to do that because, I don't know, I just don't know if there's a lot of people on the YouTube, I was going to say the internet, that do like the really crazy, beautiful looks like you see on Instagram. I don't think there are a lot of those videos, like YouTube videos, so I kind of want to just do something extra and just see what I can do. I want to kind of test myself and see like where I'm at. So I'm just putting on a little gel pad just for some comfort. It's a Bare Minerals eye cream. This eye will be better. These are actually the eye pads that I use for the eyelash extensions. If any of you guys have checked out those videos, I do my own eyelash extensions. Obviously not right now. I'm taking a break so I can practice makeup. And yeah, you should check it out. I'm gonna put on a white strip right now. I just want to, and I feel like I need to. All you coffee people out there, it's for you. Did that. This is a whole little self-care video right now. Everybody tells me, Paige, you have too much makeup. It's a little bit sick, like you're addicted. And I'm like, you guys don't understand. I have to use different things. People get bored of the same thing. I get bored of the same thing. It doesn't matter what palette we use. We just need to use whatever is gonna accomplish the look that I'm going for. Looking at this palette, excuse it, it's a little used up, it's a little banged up, but the colors are still so beautiful. We're gonna take the lighter pink color, and I think we're gonna add that in the crease. Okay, you guys, I just did a full look and I did not like it. It was horrific. And I really want to do a really cut halo, like just a really nice, clean, crisp cut. I'm going to take Bombshell from the Tartelette Matte Palette with a shader brush and put that right in the crease right here. From the ABH Prism Palette, let's go ahead and take Saturn, put it right here, right above the line to the Bombshell color. Wow, I like the way this looks already. I'm afraid Eden looks too similar. It's probably gonna work though. We're taking Eden right above the line of Saturn. That created a really nice blend from the Bombshell color. I'm packing it on there again. Wipe off all the color on the brush and just gently blend. Now I'm just going to cut out a halo crease. It's so crazy, like following like what other people do, but then you just really have to learn like what works for your eye, because my halo eye goes up more on this side because my eye's bigger. When I'm looking straight, like the crease thing, it looks straight, but really I had to make it bigger. So I don't know, just a tip, like you can't always follow what everyone's doing. You have to just keep trying it for yourself. So we need to fill back in this part right here. Taking the color Wanderer. Just like a nude brown / taupe color. I forgot that I wanted to do the top line of the cut crease with a glitter. This was nothing like what I was picturing. The beauty of it is that it kind of reminds me of like ancient princess. I don't know. We're just gonna do a dramatic wing. Now I'm gonna pop on some lashes from Pink Vanity. Okay, so there goes one little princess eye. I am going to finish the rest, you guys, finish my whole face, come back, and we'll be done. Okay, you guys, so this is how the final look came out. I am so happy with this look. Sometimes a failure can lead to really awesome things, and I'm glad I failed on the first try. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you have any questions about anything else I did off camera, just let me know. I'll let you know. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
If my hair would caught on fire right now, because I literally just dyed it, that would have been bad.